Hey, do you want to know how to create a blur background for your portraits with just 4 steps? Then stay tuned.
Okay.
The stuffs required to create a blur background: a kneaded eraser, some cotton, a graphite stick to make graphite powder, few brushes, and an electric eraser. Before moving on, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to watch more of my artworks and tutorials. Step 1. Prepare graphite powder by using graphite sticks or a pencil. By using a brush, gently tap the powder onto the paper wherever you need it. Step 2. Take a piece of cotton, make it into a ball. Gently smudge the powder in a circular motion to avoid any hard lines. Repeat this process till you cover the shadow areas. Make sure there is no hard edges or marks during the process. Step 3. Roll up a kneaded eraser into a cylindrical shape with a flat face. With minimum pressure, lift off the graphite from the paper by gently twisting the eraser. Continue this process with different eraser size. Also make sure to overlap the circles for more realistic texture. This is the fun part, but don't overdo it. I mean it. Don't.
2 hours later.
Okay, I overdid it. Anyways, moving on. Step 4. By using electric eraser or a pen eraser, you can create highlights which gives more depth to the art. Example: light bouncing off of the edge of the hair can be drawn by tiny dots. These details will be complementary to the background. And my hand looks creepy. And there you go. The final outcome is a simple blur background which gives depth and volume to your art. With minimum effort, you can try this in your art with different shapes and sizes. If you like this video, then, like this video. Catch you guys in the next episode. Till then, take care.
Wait a minute! Who are you?